Dear students, this video is on steps for effective presentation. As we all know, presentation is very much important in our student life, also in your professional life. In student life, when you want to convey about your project, then presentation is the most effective method used. Similarly, in your professional life, presentation is part and parcel of your daily routine. So in this video, let us understand what are those effective steps which we can follow to make a presentation effective. The first step is aim of the presentation. Every presentation should have a specific purpose in it. The purpose may be either to persuade or to inform or to instruct or to report or to entertain the audience. It is very much essential that the choice of words, formulation of statements have to be so simple and precise, and it should focus the purpose clearly. And if you are clear with the purpose, it will be easy for you to make the audience understand about it. So the next step is target audience, where you have to collect the information about your audience, who are going to be your audience, and the number of audience who are going to attend your presentation, their age group, the gender distribution, their knowledge level, and their expectation level, and also their attitude. So these are the information which you have to gather before you present in front of your audience. Next is collection of data. After finalizing the purpose and analyzing the audience, the next step is you have to collect the data which is important for your presentation. You can collect it through by referring the n number of books or online resources available on the internet. And remember, the more you collect the data, it will be more easy for you to convey the information to the audience, because you are going to be much more familiar with the topic. Next step is sequencing of data. Once you have collected the data, it is your responsibility now to sequence the data, place it in a proper order. The first comes the introduction part, where the presenter has to attract the audience and prepare them towards the presentation by introducing them the topic. Second comes the body, which is the most important part, where the maximum part of the topic is being explained in this part. Then next is conclusion. Conclusion is where you are going to sum up the entire presentation point, and never conclude or end the presentation immediately. Always ask the audience for some feedback, some suggestions, or their opinions on their presentation. Then the next step after the conclusion comes is question or handling queries, where the presentation can be called as an effective one if the response of the audience in questioning session is good. So here you can invite questions from all the audience, and the presenter need to be gentle, gracious towards the audience, and see that you avoid the arguments. Repeat the questions if needed, anticipate questions, and answer the entire audience and make them understand more clear about the topic. Then the last step is audio visual aids. Preparing handouts and visual aids supports the presentation always. It enables the audience to understand the concept with clarity and also enhances the effectiveness of the presentation. Usually the impact of visualization is greater than reading and listening. So always it helps the audience to recall and remember the presentation easily. So these are the few essential steps which you can keep in your mind while making a presentation. So I hope you all are clear with this. Till then, have a nice day. See you all in the next video. Thank you.